Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming two prerequisites: WordPress updated and a theme that supports menus. Once done, open Appearance menus in the dashboard and create a new menu. Name it clearly. Add primary pages, custom links, and categories so structure is ready. Make sure to set display location if available. This ties the menu to your header. If you're using a block or page builder, open its header template now so you can place the nav where you intend. Now you'll build and refine the menu. Drag items to set primary order and indent items to create drop-downs for submenus. Once organized, choose the theme location like primary menu or header, or insert a navigation block into your header template if using block themes. Make sure to enable CSS classes to style later and add area labels for accessibility. If you want a mobile-friendly toggle, activate the responsive menu option in theme settings or add a hamburger block in the header template. Finish by customizing Appearance. Open Appearance customized to tweak colors, spacing, and typography, or add CSS in a child theme for precise control. Once styled, test on desktop and multiple mobile sizes and clear caching and CDN to reflect updates. If links don't appear, make sure the menu is assigned to the correct location and that no plugin is blocking output. If drop-downs or styles break, inspect with browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.